Hello everybody, Master G here with Mr. Durantis. Let's work on learning our inside to outside crescent kick, or Aniso Pakaro Chaki.
Aniso Pakuro Chaki, sir.
Once more, Aniso
Aniso
Pakuro
Pakuro
Chaki.
Chaki.
Good. So with our inside to outside crescent kick, we call this the rainbow kick. It is specifically designed to block attacks or to strike to the head. So it cannot be thrown low ever. It is always thrown at the shoulders or higher. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring your knee up and turn your body in. See how his hips going at a 45-degree angle? Focusing on the pinky toe blade of his foot. He's gonna fan out in a rainbow action. And he's gonna recoil and put it down. Ready, height!
Aye.
Notice how the toes are facing up. Height!
Aye.
Good, opposite foot. Ready, high!
Aye.
High!
Aye.
Good. Now, so this is what that kick looks like on a target.
Aye. Aye.
Opposite foot.
Aye. Aye.
Good. Now, for a more advanced version of that technique, let's work on the spinning inside-outside crescent, or Duitoyo Aniso Pakaro Chaki.
Duitoyo Aniso Pakuro Chaki, sir.
Once more, Duitoyo
Duitoyo
Aniso
Aniso
Pakaro
Pakuro
Chaki.
Chaki.
Good, spinning inside to outside crescent kick. Okay, so same thing. You have to have the inside to outside crescent kick down first. If you don't have that kick down, practice that kick first, over and over and over again. But now, again, spinning to the rear to where his legs open up, not crisscross. Do you understand? Spin to the natural open, look, bring up the knee, and big fan, bring it to the back. Let's scoot this way just a little bit. Ready, spin, spin, and bring it back. Very good. This is Chuck Norris's classic kick. And it's not a roundhouse. It's an inside crescent kick. And I'll challenge you if you don't believe me. Good. Opposite foot. Spin to the rear leg. And bring it around. Spin to the rear leg. And bring it around. Good. Now let's see what this looks like. Height. Height. Good. And you can also do a variation this way. You jump and spin if you really want to work on your advanced technique. Height. Height. Good. And you'll see that in black belt confidence. That is our inside outside crescent kick, or Aniso Pakaro Chagi, or our spinning inside outside crescent kick, Duitoyo Aniso Pakaro Chagi. Practice what you learned, make it rock.